In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your signature on Zendesk. Changing your signature on Zendesk is a simple process that can significantly impact your interactions with customers. Whether you're looking to update your contact information, add a personal touch, or ensure your communications align with your brand's style, today we're going to walk you through the entire process from start to finish. First things first, navigate to the Zendesk website. Once there, you're going to look for the Sign In button. Click on it, and you might have to click on Sign In again, depending on the page it redirects you to. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Fill those in, and either hit Enter or click the Sign In button to proceed. After you've successfully signed in, your next step is to locate the Zendesk products option. This can usually be found at the top of the page. Clicking here will reveal a drop-down menu where you have various options, but for now we're focused on finding the Admin Center. Click on Admin Center. This action will redirect you to a new page where you can administrate different aspects of your Zendesk environment. Once in the Admin Center, look for the Workspaces option. You might need to scroll a bit or look through the available options on the screen. When you find Workspaces, click on it to proceed to the next step. Within the Workspaces section, you'll see an option for Agent Interface. This is where you're going to make changes to your signature, so go ahead and click on Agent Interface. Now you're in the right place to update your signature. You should see a field or area designated for your signature settings. This is where you can get creative. Type in your new signature exactly how you want it to appear in your outgoing Zendesk communications. Your signature can include your name, position, contact details, or a personalized message. Finally, once you're happy with your new signature, look for the Save button. It's crucial to save your changes or all your efforts will be for nothing. Click Save and voila, your signature will be updated. Remember, your email signature is often one of the final points of contact after a service interaction, so make it count. It should reflect your professionalism, your brand's identity, and provide essential contact information or even a call to action. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully updated your signature on Zendesk, ensuring your communications are always up to date and professional. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.